Right, Mr. Charling. So I'm going to continue with the simulation here, and I will be pausing the video and just resuming the video when I get into a trade, okay? And then I explain why, blah blah blah, as we agreed on. Yeah, good idea. Cheers. See you in a bit. So this is the first the trade I'm going to take. So I'm going to execute a sell in the breach of this low. It already happened, so I'm selling here. Um, Stop above there. Um, it's only 7.3 pip stop. Wow. Okay, so I will try to target this, but I'm taking off in 8 pips. I'm taking off of it. Okay, no, 8 pips. So 8 pips. Stop there. All right, let's move. Let me just put the trades here. Where are they? Again, they disappear. Okay. So 8 pips. 3 pips. Oh, let's see how this 15-minute goes. It closed bullish. Uh, this can be the retest only. Um, yeah, rules are rules. I'm cutting 50%, so I'm playing. Respecting the highs. The 30 minutes are respecting the highs. For now. Okay, it's breached now. Okay, that's a stop. Let's move on to the next one. All right, second trade here. As you can see in the chart, this is the 1 hour, and we are breaching through this support. All right, so we closed very close to it. We breached down, and now once we breach the low, I'm taking a sell. If you look at the 4 hours, it's super bearish. The 1 hour bearish. 30 minutes breaking the low. There's a little bump here. Let's see if we can deal with that. Okay, let's go for the trade. This is a sell. Stop above 21 pip stop, 22. Let's try to come here. And yeah, let's manage in the M15 again. This is a 1 hour trade. Maybe I should manage in the M30. Um, or this can convert to an M30 trade, and I will tighten my stop in here. Yeah, this can also be an idea to tighten the stop here, or just leave for the 1 hour. Yeah, it's quite a big stop. That's the thing here. But in the other hand, I feel this is safe in the 1 hour, and in the M30, I don't have that feeling. If I put the stop above this candle, this might reject again and come here to this zone. So yeah, I'm playing in the 1 hour and managing on the M30, and I need 20 pips, something like that. Okay, 20 or 20. I think it's 21. Okay, we are 5 pips on. Okay, very good close. We are 10.5 pips on. Yeah, the 30-minute trade would have been good, and I would have taken my 1-to-1 now. Let's see, the 1 hour is still playing. Oh, major quarter point here. Hmm. Okay. Uh, I wanted to close off when we breach the M30, the M30, the M30 high, but okay. And now this stop is going to be moved. I'm going to move my stop to just above the other candle visual, just above here, just above this candle. And if it breaches, it's a stop. That's it. Yeah. All right. So not a good idea in the 1 hour. It wasn't a good idea. Uh, okay, let's see now. Just pausing again. All right, next one. Um, this is an M15 chart, and we are breaking below this week, right? So support, we gone up to this rejection zone, and we came down again. I think I should have taken a trade here, but I didn't. So um, we are breaking the M15 here, and I'm looking short. Also in the M30, this is a dovetail setup. We went up, and now we are doing the dovetail setup on the M30. Okay, and also of course the 1 hour looks bearish, very bearish. Although we have this bullish candle, but it was just the false break here, and now we are in the rejection area there. So it seems that it's coming down. And of course, well, 4 hours, I'm looking into this weak fill in here, which is the low. So let's try it out. So it's a sell, stop above here. That's 8.9 pips. Let's put it 10 pips. And yeah, I'm looking to this weak fill. So, but yeah, I always put my target like far away. Um, and yeah, let's see if we have the 10 pips. If it goes up again, it's a shame. It's trying to break. It's broke now. We are in 4 pips. Try to get those 10. Okay, this is M30. I'm moving my stop above the next candle. So I'm taking it from here. And putting visual, putting in here. All right, man. And another stop. Wow. Wow. Just to come down again? Oh, just took my stop and came down. Wow. Okay, gonna pause again. Right, next one. We are trending up like crazy in the 30-minute chart. 1 hour also trending up like crazy. Well, for our we have a bit of support of resistance. We don't have much. Yeah, hoping for this weak fill in the 4 hours. That's what we are doing. This is a lot of momentum we should do this week. In the 1 hour, it's the same. This is the week I'm talking about. We also having rejection, respecting the lows in the 1 hour. And we closed 30-minute bullish. So I'm in the breach of the high of this 30-minute. I want to take a long. We stopped just below. That's 12 pips. And yeah, just for 12 pips also. So let's see when we reach the low, the high. Oh man, yeah, you gotta give me an entry or I'll go back. Okay, so a buy. No, this is not the stop and the take profit. So the stop, it's below this candle here. The take profit, I leave it open. It's 12 pips we want. So let's play. Not only we breached that high, we breached all the highs in the left. So right. Oop, what happened here? Should be news or something. It jumped. We are 4 pips in profit. Difficult trade. Difficult, very difficult. 10 minutes to close. The last thing I want to see is a bearish close. Okay. 1 minute to close. It's closed bullish, but man, okay. This was kind of the retest of this thing here. Let's see if the next one, if doesn't breach the low. Looks bad, looks very bad now. Let's see. Man, how many hours in this trade? Like 2 hours already? This is exhaustion from all this movement going up. Okay. Look. 7 pips. See if we get a bit more. We need 12. We have 8. I'm looking for the weak fill. Another bullish close. Come on, just a bit more. I think it was already on 12, to be honest. 11.3. How is the 1 hour going? Rejection, bullish close, respecting. Bearish close. So now it should be the time where I got 50%. Also bearish 1 hour close. So yeah, so this is done. This is done. I'm cutting here. So yeah, shame. Okay, see in a bit. I'm good closing the trade. See in a bit. So now I'm trying the short. Why? Because we have this bearish 1 hour close and we are breaking the low of that bearish 1 hour close. This was a very extended movement to the upside. We reached resistance and now we seem to be moving back down. So this was the, I'm going to place a sell here with stop above this candle and the targeting the same. It's like 10 pips. Well, it's here. It's where I want it. 10 pips, let's go for it. This was only 2 pips. Put it here. I'm expecting some retracement from this movement, you know. This is no, not going. Okay, another stop. Very well. Very well. Oh my fucking god. What a mess. Yeah, it's a very strong movement in the upside, a lot of momentum. It's just we reached the resistance. I'm expecting after this bearish close, 1 hour bearish close, I'm expecting some movement down. It's just yeah, just not happening. Okay, moving forward, we're going to stop this. Yeah, we just broke the high on here with a lot of speed, with a lot of momentum. So I'm expecting to feel this week. This is like 10 pips away, but my stop must be more than that. My stop must be like at least below this candle is 17. So I'm doing 1 to 1, 17, 17. Let's hope after 10 I'll decide. Let's see. So it's a buy. It stopped here. It's more. It's 18.7. And yeah. Let's see. After that week, I might break even or something like that. Time of the day. This is almost London close, right? So not much time. I think we just filled the week. So we are 9 pips in profit. We need 18. Let's see if the momentum can do it. All right. 14. Oops. 16. Bit more. It's a bit more. 16. This was almost, but it's hard to stop there. Yeah, it's 19 in there. So in that high I'm closing. Come on, just breach the high again. The trade is done, right? Because it's 19 pips in profit. If I have to go back, I go back. I don't care. Now the wick is acting as support. Oh, again. Man, we are at 16.5. Okay. Okay, 19. So we are good now. I'm going to close it all. Finally, a fucking profitable trade. See you in a bit. Next day. All right, next trade. So this is New York Open. We are in the 30 minutes, and yeah, we are breaking down this support. All right. So I'm counting with the volume once we breach the low of this candle to to continue going down and eventually fill up this week and maybe more. So I'm looking for a sell here. Oh, let me just check the others. So we have the 4 hours here. We are below the support here in the 4 hours. This is the support. So we went up and retested a bit. The 1 hour is also breaking. This is the 1 hour bearish candle. We broke. This is also the break of the 1 hour bearish low. So yeah, I'm taking it. So stop will be 21 pips. Target at the week is 18. So let's add a bit more for the runner because this was quite a huge move up, and yeah, we might stop here maybe. Who knows? This will be a very good runner target in here, or maybe even here. Okay, I'll leave it here. So let's play. I need 21 pips, right? I'm 1 pip. I'm 7 pips in profit. Hmm. Okay, let's move on. Okay, what I don't want to see is this 30-minute being breached. I'm going to bring my stop down. I'm going to bring my stop loss to the high of this candle here. So let's see. I hope it respects it. Okay, this is a 30-minute bullish close, and to be honest, it's a red flag. It's really a red flag. 1 hour. Okay, this is a pin bar in the 1 hour. I'm going to close my trade here, but I'm going to leave the recording open because this looks to me like a very good opportunity to take a long if we break the high of this 1 hour bullish candle. Okay, so I'm going to play it. Okay, we broke. So I'm taking a long here. My stop is below. This is 23 pips. 23 pips. 23 pips. Let me see the MEM30. Yeah, still 23 pips. So let's see. I'm going to put my target here. 23 pips is just this high in here. Let's accept it. And let's move. Let's see if price can overthrow this resistance here. Slow movement, bullish candle in M30, but weak bullish. Is breaking down, not yet, but man, M30. This might be only the retest of this zone to come down. Let's see. M30 closed bullish. Again, I'm not interested in this trade anymore. Like, no. 1 hour closed bullish, closed bearish also. So yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I don't need to lose 1%. Just 0.4 or something like that. I'm out. Let's see how it goes now. Wow. It's really incredible, man. Really, really incredible. How price does this. Okay. Is this a second chance to my buying bias? Again, we are breaking the high of this 1 hour. Okay, I will try again. Just to buy. Just the stop now is just here. Is an 11 pip stop. So my 11 pip, in here I have 11 pips, but I'm going to put my target high, like in here. It broke the high again of the 1 hour. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh man. I hope after 30 days I will be better than this. Man, not even a chance to get out. It's just incredible. Okay. So now, again, this was the first bias, you know? Price had to go up and retest this shit. Um, yeah, I'm taking a short because this is the break of the low here. So I'm selling. No, not this line. Stop 17, 18. Again, move it on. Bearish close. That's good news. But now, I don't wanna. I'm going to move my stop above this one. Stop loss. Stop loss. Because if it comes above again, you know, it's just no visual. just above here. Because if it breaks the high of the 1 hour again, no. Where's my thing? Oh, accept the stop. Okay. It doesn't look good anymore. Again. Hmm. Well, this is already London close, so reaching London close. Yep, I'm out. Incredible. So let's move on to the next day, final day. So this is again, this is Friday, 30-minute chart. We finally broke below this zone, and I'm expecting this movement to go on, but I don't want to enter here. I want price to go up a little bit, maybe test this zone, and then as it flips bearish again, yeah, I want to take a trade. So let's see. Go up a bit. Just come on, just a bit. Just go up a bit. It doesn't want to go up. Okay. Okay, that's what I was expecting. That's the retest. Yeah, the retest. Let's see the 15 minutes. More retest. We are still in the retest zone. Yeah, this candle should be good. Okay. If we breach the low of this candle, I'm interested in getting in because yeah, because it will be below all the low of this candle. It's below those closes, and yeah, looking for the weak fill here, and let's see. Okay, we broke the low. You know I want to enter at the low. So how do we go back a bit? No, previous bar. Okay. Just here. Okay, just sell it. This is the M30. Going to put my stop just above those wicks here. 10 pips. And with my target open. So I'm looking for 10 pips. I think I have those 10 pips in this weak field. Almost. I have 9. Play. Man. Alright. That's my simulation. Okay, I can do one more trade. Can do one more trade. Let's see if it closes inside the range again. This was a false break. almost closing. Okay, we closed inside the range. Yeah, false breakdown. Just a minute. All right, so this should be the last trade or close to that. So I'm taking a short here. I'll explain why. So we rejected this bottom, we came into the range, we went to the top of the range, we rejected the top of the range, and this one closed bullish, but with the lower high and the lower low. Okay, so that to me counts almost as a bearish candle. And now we broke the low. All right, so I'm expecting to come to support here again. You know, so this whole thing was just retest of the zone again and expecting it to go down. So I'm placing a short here with stop above this candle, and this is, let's put the weak fill as target, and not close entirely if we get this weak fill. 20 pips is a 2 to 1, so let's see. It's 10 pips to stop. Seven, eight, 7, 6. You already gave me my 10 pips, didn't it? Yeah, it did. It did a 1 to 1 already. But let's see if we can do the 2 to 1. Doesn't look like it, but it's the last trade. Let's leave it. It's irrelevant. It was so bad anyway. Just so bad. Yeah. So I'm going to move forward. If it's another stop, it's another stop. No problem. Yeah, another stop. That's it. So this was a win, but it was a stop. So it's all right. Cheers, matey. I'll show you the video later. This was a very unpleasant simulation. I'll do another later, more calm with. I'll try to be more because I'm in kind of a rush, so I'm not really doing the best things I should do. So we speak later. Bye bye. Cheers.